Today we're going to be making America's favorite dessert without all the fat and calories. It's going to be delicious and nutritious.
So I went ahead and peeled and cored my apples. I like to use Granny Smith apples, but you can use whatever apples you have on hand. And to the apples, I'm going to add some fresh squeezed lemon juice. In a separate bowl, I'm going to add some dry ingredients. I'm going to add sugar,
some flour, some cinnamon. Then we're going to add some nutmeg.
I'm going to add some cornstarch.
So I'm going to just mix these together real quick.
Then we're going to add it to our apples.
Now what we're going to do is transfer our apples to our pie plate. I went ahead and sprayed it with some nonstick cooking spray.
Okay, and now we're ready to top off our pie. See that?
Ta-da! Right over my pie. Now from here we just want to make a real rustic, simple, crimped pie crust.
We're going to cut a few vent holes in the top of our pie crust, and that's going to allow the steam to escape.
We're going to just brush the top of it with a little bit of skim milk
for our sugar to stick to, because that's what we're going to do next. We're going to add a little bit of sugar on top. So now we're ready to put this in the oven. I've got my oven heated to 425 degrees, and we're going to leave it there for about 15 minutes.
Now after 15 minutes, you're going to want to drop your oven temperature down to about 350 degrees for 45 more minutes.
And when it's done, you have
this delicious, nutritious
apple pie.